Welcome back to day 19 of 100 days of Java course. Yesterday we learned about inheritance using vehicle example. Today let's learn something even more powerful, method overriding. So what is method overriding? Imagine you have a parent class that defines a method. Now the child class says, thanks dad, but I'll do it my own way. That's overriding. Same method name, same parameters, but different behavior. Think of a printer. A normal printer prints in black and white, a color printer prints in color, a 3D printer prints an actual 3D object. All of them are printers, but they behave differently when you call print function. So let's write the code. Parent class printer, void print system.out.println, printing in black and white. Child class color printer extends printer, override void print system.out.println, printing in color. Another child class 3D printer extends printer, override void print system.out.println, printing a 3D object. Public class overriding demo, public static void main string args, printer p1 equal to new printer p2 equal to new color printer p3 equal to new 3D printer. p1.print, p2.print, p3.print. And the output will be printing in black and white, printing in color, printing a 3D object. In overriding, child class changes the parent's behavior. Use at override above the method to make it clear. This is runtime polymorphism. Which method runs is decided while running the program, not while writing the code. It's like Einmann's JARVIS AI. The base AI is JARVIS, then came Friday, a new AI. Both respond to hey Tony, but they give different behaviors.